Let's see how to create an online store with Wix. First, let's create new site. Then set up without chat. Now, let's say online store. Then click continue. It will ask you the name of your store, but let's skip that for now. Then it'll ask you if you're already or do you have online store. So let's just skip that. And then it will ask you what kind of products are you selling. Let's skip that also. How are you offering your products? You can always choose something here, but for now, let's skip. Now, let's design site and then customize a template. You can now choose templates for your desired website. Or let's just say if you want accessories, you can search here. Accessories shop. Then you can choose, you can view the site before picking it. Then if you're good with that site, you can go and edit the site. Now first, you can name your site here. You can double click it to change its text. You can add more text or add some pictures and also buttons in the Elements button. You can link buttons to your desired pages, your certain page, or where you want it to be linked when the customer will press this. Where do you want them to be linked? And now, let's go directly to the pages and menu. In here, we'll go to store pages. In here, we'll see product page and category page. And if we click category page, it's where your customers choose the products that you are selling. And this right here will be the list of categories you will create in order for your customers to identify directly the products that they wanted. And when you press or when your customers press this, they will be directed to the product page. This is what it looks like in the product page. And when you manage your products, just click this. It will lead you to this dashboard. Now, you can either add some products here, new products, or just duplicate a product and then change its content inside. Okay, for example, you like to have an umbrella. And then we remove it. Remove that. Then we'll add some image. For example, I'll just get it from the Wix umbrella. This is just an example, so let's have this beach umbrella. You can add your image here or some videos. You can change your info here, the description, the name. You can even add some labels like it's on sale, new arrival, bestsellers, whatever you call it to make the product stand out. Then you can change some infos here. But since I duplicated from the last one, then the infos are intact here. Then you can change its pricing. You can say it's on sale or not. There are so many options. You can also track inventory, but it's always convenient to just put the status to in stock and out of stock. It's very easier that way, but you can always decide for your own store, and then you click save. There you'll have another product. You can delete your product in here. You can just delete this. Delete. Then to add some categories, you just go to this categories, add some new categories or add categories. Let's just say some fashion and accessories. This is going to be your first category. Then you can add some image here, fashion. Let's say it's this one. Here. Then we add the products that align to this category. For example, a bag. Okay, this one, this, and this. We'll add all of that and save. And there we have it. Then we'll click add now to add this category to the site. And there we go. Then in inventory, you can directly change your stocks, like in stock or out stock here. You can directly change this. When it's done, let's go out and see. In the category page, there we'll see the fashion and accessories. And when the customers click it, it's all the fashion and accessories we put in there that is categorized. It's just that simple. And then for other pages, you can change it. You can have gift cards. But if you don't want, you can always delete it here. If you don't want or you don't have gift cards, you can delete this app. Then you can change some contents in your other pages here. If you don't want any of these, then you can always delete it. This one too, if you don't want a sign up and log in or the members area, you can also delete it. But if you can't delete it from the site and menu, you can always delete it here in the My Business button. Here you can delete the app. If you don't like it, you can always delete it. Now this one here opens to your inbox where you can interact with your customers. Then you'll just have to change all the contents in here and your site's going to be great. So that's it. That's how to create an online store with Wix. See you soon.